Today I'm going to show you my Zippo collection. Hold on, let me get the light better. There we go. This is a Zippo with Proud and Free USA. It's got a semi with the picture of the United States that's colored as the flag. Never been used. This is just a camo one. Again, never been used. This is a army one. I don't know if I can get the focus or not. I can't, but it says United States Army on it. It's got the little seal of the Army. This one's been used quite a bit. It was my everydayer for a while. Then this is the 82nd Airborne, I think. I like the picture, so I got it. Never been used. Now these top ones right here all came off Army bases. And the rest of these came from Look Sharp in the mall. This one is a Scorpion with a little ruby. Never been used, still got the stickers on because I'm not sure if it's worth more with the stickers or not. If I'm finding it anywhere, so if you know, let me know. I got one with the anarchy symbol. Why do I have one with the anarchy symbol? Because the guy I was with, I said I wanted to buy one, and the guy I was with said, "Oh, get this one." So I was like, okay. Yeah. Never been used, obviously. This one really isn't mine. It's my cousin's. I'm holding it for him while he's in the military. It's got butterfly on it. It's been used quite a bit, actually. One with the bald eagle. Again, this is my very first one, so it was used quite a bit. This is just a plain old one with that colored paint on it. It's been used pretty frequently in its day. Got the eyeball one. Never been used, but I thought it was pretty sweet, so I got it. Again, the lion one, thought it was pretty sweet. Still got stickers on. Again, let me know if it's worth something. Now this is the Walmart one. Never been used, still got sticker on. Let me know if it's better to keep the stickers on or take them off. This is my skull one. It's been used quite a bit. You can really tell how durable they are, seeing that most of these look like they've never really been used except for the wick. My Buddha one. Well, you're probably thinking, why do you have a Buddha one? Why not? Okay. Got the wolf one. Again. If I can get it out. Try showing you under this light. Stickers. Thought it was pretty cool. Now all these are authentic Zippos. Got the clown one with stickers. This one, another skull one, purple. Never been used. And this is like one of the best ones. It's got like a cowboy skeleton thing on it. Still got stickers. Don't know if it's worth more or not. Then here's all of them together. Now this thing I made in my basement. I don't know. Let me know if you like it or not. What's holding it is it's like a frame with a back, and then it's got foam holding in the Zippos. So if you like it, let me know. I'll let you know how to make it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.